Dear viewers, fellow farmers, this is a new year 2024. So we are going to take briefly through the requirements a beginner needs to start with in goat farming. First and foremost, you should know the number of goats you are going to start with. If it is a business, it will be a minimum of 50 goats, which will need one worker, and the structure itself will cost you around 5 million shillings. Labor and all costs involved. The piece of land required to me, I think an adequate land, at least minimum should be 5 acres of land. Basically, those are things we need. So how much would 50 goats cost you? Probably assume, even if we buy a 200 each goat, that is around 10 goats will cost you 10 million shillings to get good goats. And the structure, 12 million shillings if you already have land, land. Basically, those are the requirements you need to start in, and you know the basic what you need to do. The cleanliness, those ones you learn later, but basically for the beginner you need at least 50 goats. If you are doing for business, you need a goat pen, which will cost you around 5 million shillings. You need at least 5 acres of land. Then you go into goat farming. The breeding, those ones you can adjust as soon as you start, because what you will advise my fellow farmers or those who really would love grain farming is breeding will come later when you have the knowledge. If the goats, you start with the viewers, I guarantee you, if you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the right people next to you, chances of succeeding are minimal. It's better you start with locals or crosses, then you adjust when you have the knowledge of goat farming. But apart from that, goat farming this year is the way to go, members. When you go on paper and record, it's doing well. So me, this is now my 3rd year being in goat farming. I was inspired by a man called a man from that side central, this side of Kayunga. Yes, this man has inspired me a lot to start. I also started with few goats. Those were around less than 50, because I wasn't into it much, but I was less than 50. But as we speak now, we are in 500 goats. So you can see in 3 years, that is a massive project. And we have offloaded some. Some have been sold to do the structures, the medication. So I can tell you right now that these goats can really take care of themselves and take care of me as well. So basically, that is it in goat farming. For the beginners, we shall take you the next step, what you need to do. Then I will bring you the medicine you need on the farm. For the beginners, better that you much ready by the time you start this business or this project. Otherwise, wish you well. We'll meet next time. I promise now, this time I think at least every week we shall be taking you through step by step of goat farming until we reach and we go to somewhere else. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, members. Have a good time.